Hello Bladers. Battery upkeep is completely vital when it comes to your car. You can't go any place on the off chance that the battery isn't working, so it pays to keep it sound and in great shape. Clearly, your car won't run without the battery, but it's moreover critical to know that your vehicle will final much longer in case you take great care of it with battery upkeep. It influences the complete electrical framework in your car, which incorporates the alternator. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Caring for your battery. Here are a few other things you'll be able to do for battery maintenance. Number 1. Look beneath the hood and check the battery for rust or erosion. Number 2. Batteries that are smudged will not final long and the juice will deplete out of them distant sometime recently it should. Number 3. If you see erosion, take a delicate brush and wipe absent any free particles. Number 4. Buildup can influence how successfully power travels. Number 5. Check the cables to see in the event that they are decent and tight. Number 6. Make beyond any doubt the battery cables themselves don't have erosion on them, as this may actually eat through the cable and crush it. It's also ideal to always have a battery charger and maintainer like the CTEK battery charger and maintainer CT5 start/stop you can get at blade.ph. The CTEK start/stop battery charger and maintainer has been extraordinarily planned to supply secure and simple charging and upkeep for vehicles prepared with the modern era start/stop technology. To guarantee the vehicle's start/stop works successfully to convey most extreme fuel productivity and least environmental impact, the battery needs to be legitimately charged and kept up. This moreover maximizes battery lifetime and gives ideal unwavering quality, maintaining a strategic distance from unexpected and costly replacements. The CTEK start/stop battery charger and maintainer may be a common sense and straightforward to utilize charger with a straightforward to get it shell. It is non-sparking, switch extremity secured in short circuit confirmation, and comes with a 5-year guarantee. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.